Benefit 1 is moisturizing. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, making it an excellent natural moisturizer. It penetrates deep into the skin, providing a long-lasting shield to keep the skin hydrated. This benefit is particularly useful for those with dry skin, as olive oil maintains skin elasticity and smoothness without clogging pores. Benefit 2 is anti-aging. Packed with antioxidants, olive oil helps in fighting oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can accelerate the skin's aging process. Its regular application can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a more youthful and refreshed appearance. Benefit 3 is skin repair and healing. Olive oil contains a range of vitamins that help in the skin's repair and healing processes. The presence of vitamin K and squalene in olive oil can speed up skin recovery from minor wounds, sunburns, and scars, promoting faster healing and preventing infection. Benefit 4 is exfoliation. When mixed with sea salt or sugar, olive oil acts as a natural exfoliator. It helps remove dead skin cells and impurities, allowing new cells to emerge, resulting in clearer and more even-toned skin. This gentle exfoliation is suitable even for sensitive skin types. Benefit 5 is anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil has compounds like oleocanthal that possess anti-inflammatory effects. These can help reduce skin irritation, redness, and swelling, making it beneficial for conditions like eczema and rosacea. Benefit 6 is deep cleaning. Olive oil can be used as a natural cleansing agent. It helps dissolve makeup and other oil-based impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils, ensuring the skin remains balanced and clean. This makes it an excellent choice for a double cleansing routine. Benefit 7 is soothing effects. Olive oil has a calming effect on the skin, helping to alleviate itchiness and irritation. The presence of fatty acids contributes to its soothing properties, making it ideal for people with sensitive or sun-damaged skin. Benefit 8 is improved skin elasticity. The essential fatty acids in olive oil help enhance skin elasticity. Regular application can help improve the skin's resilience and firmness, which helps maintain a youthful appearance and reduces sagging. Benefit 9 is enhanced skin glow. Olive oil's nourishing properties provide a natural glow to the skin. By maintaining skin hydration and supporting regeneration processes, it helps the skin look more radiant and healthy over time. Benefit 10 is correction of skin discoloration. Olive oil can help lighten skin discoloration and even out skin tone. Its consistent use can gradually fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation due to its gentle bleaching properties and antioxidants. Benefit 11 is providing a protective barrier. Olive oil can form a protective barrier on the skin, shielding it from harsh environmental factors like pollution, cold weather, and UV radiation. This protective layer helps prevent moisture loss and external damage, keeping the skin healthier and more resilient.